Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all my shining stars. Hopefully all of you are fine and safe at your home. This is Junior Islamic School and College Faistabad and I am Mr. Gulzar. Welcome in English class. My dear students, this is our English class and our today's topic is transitional devices. Beta, please open your textbook page number 88. And keep your accessories like lead pencils in your hands. First of all, let's see what is transitional devices. So what are the transitional devices? Beta, transitional devices are words and phrases that help to connect thoughts. For example, there are two sentences and we want to join these two sentences. To join the sentences, we use some words and those words are called transitional devices. These devices can be used to guide the reader through ideas, build an argument, draw conclusions and compare or contrast the elements. Okay, so these devices sometimes add the meaning to the sentence. Sometimes it is used for comparison, for illustration, for conclusion, like in the end of the paragraph or anything when we are concluding some idea, some paragraph, so we use that. In the end I would like to say I sum up my thoughts, and then we write the few sentences. So these type of words we use, and these type of words are called transitional devices. So here in front of you there is a chart for you. Transitional devices: addition, some words are used to add the meaning, and also in addition to. For example, if I say that she is intelligent and beautiful, so and is adding the meaning to the sentence. Contrast, but, now, ever. On the other hand, comparison, if you are going to compare two things and then we use two or more than two things, then we use these words like similarly, in the same way, compared to. Illustration, when you want to give more detail with examples, then you use for example, for instance, to illustrate. Sequence, first, second, third, afterward, then, okay, next. Like if you are writing a paragraph and you are using these words, so sequence words like first this happened, next this happened, then this happened, afterwards this happened. So these words are used for sequence. Effect, when you give some reason, because, therefore, as a result. Conclusion, in other words, on the whole, to sum up. When you are going to conclude the paragraph or any idea, then you use these type of words. Next is identify and write transitional devices that you find in this poem. You will find out the transitional devices and you will write in front of the question on your book. Next is part D. Combine the pair of sentences below into one sentence using appropriate transitional devices. Again, some words, transitional words are given here. You will choose the correct one, and two sentences are given. So you will join two sentences by using transitional device. Fatma got home, full stop. She missed her TV program. Now these are two sentences. We have to use a transitional device to join these two sentences. So how we will join these sentences? Fatma got home late. Full stop you will remove because we are using here transitional device. अब दो sentences को join करना है तो जो word हम use करेंगे वो फुल स्टॉप ख़त्म करके वहाँ पे हम यूज़ करेंगे, और जो सेकंड सेंटेंस का फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल तो उसको हम स्मॉल कर देंगे. लाइक फातिमा गॉट होम लेट, फुल स्टॉप ख़त्म करेंगे यहाँ से. यहाँ पे आप लगाएंगे देयरफॉर, शी का एस स्मॉल हो जाएगा, शी मिस्ड हर टीवी प्रोग्राम. नेक्स्ट सेकेंड वन इज गॉड मेड द कंट्री, फुल स्टॉप यू विल रिमूव एंड यू विल राइट बट मैन, एम ऑफ मैन विल बी स्मॉल, बट मैन मेड द टाउन. Next, third one is Hamad missed the bus. Full stop you will remove because you will use here he woke up late, he age will be small. I went there. Again you will remove full stop and you will use but he was absent, age of he will be small. The weather was warm. remove the full stop. So you will use here so. Jamshed turned on the air conditioner. Jamshed का J small नहीं होगा because it is a proper noun. So when we are adding the proper noun or the name of any person, we use the first letter. We always write first letter capital. So you will just remove the full stop and use transitional device so. The weather was warm, so Jamshed turned on the air conditioner. But this is all about transitional devices. You will do practice of it. If you have any question, any query, any confusion, you may ask from me. Take care and Allah Hafiz.